Hi everyone, thanks for joining me. My name's Mark and this is my workshop. I want to talk to you today a little bit about storage in a small workshop. This is a small workshop, about 12 feet by 12 feet. And there's only 3 walls to it. There's the wall behind me, there's the wall to the right, the wall that is in front of me. Well, there is no wall there. That is open to the rest of my basement, which is a semi-finished space, but my wife has a strong demarcation line of where the workshop boundaries will end, so it's not far in front of me. To my left is an exterior wall with a big window in it. So I mention these walls because walls are a big source of storage space. You can see lots and lots of people and videos with endless stuff on the walls. A small workshop can't accommodate that. There just isn't room. The solution for me has been drawers. In this workshop, I have 27 drawers. I'll show you. Right behind me here are the 12 drawers. They're filing cabinets. And in particular, I want to talk about the filing cabinet on the right here. I have another one down here. I'm going to bring it in a little closer for you to see. Here we have it. This, like the other one you can see in behind, is an old vintage filing cabinet with shallow drawers. I think it held file cards at one time. This has 7 drawers. The one in behind has 8 drawers. And these are fabulous things. And you can find them if you look hard and keep your eye open on Marketplace or similar. This particular one I bought, I think for $90. I have under it a mobile base with 4 casters. It was in dirty shape when I got it. So I took it apart. I took all the drawers out. I took the drawer slides out. I degreased and cleaned everything in it, lubricated it, and put it back together. The storage these things can provide is wonderful. And it's really useful in a small shop, because in a small shop, the best way I've found to make storage work is vertically. Don't spread it out on the floor. Don't cover your walls with stuff. Try to put it into drawers, in cabinets, and make it work that way. So in these drawers here and in the other drawers behind are tools and supplies. You can't see in this drawer, but I have every length of wood screw imaginable here, right at hand. Next drawer, more screws, etc., etc. It's all easy to find. I know where it is, and it's right at hand. I can access it without looking for anything. As long as I keep on top of my shop housekeeping and putting everything away, then it's a great solution and everything is right on hand. I've brought you in closer, and now we're looking at the other filing cabinets. Once again, one of these very old vintage low drawer filing cabinets. If I want a hammer, go to my 3rd drawer, and every hammer imaginable is in this drawer. This is a more traditional filing cabinet. We've all seen these. They are dirt cheap to almost being free, and they are great too. Great for power tools. Circular saw, random orbital sander, another random orbital sander, belt sander. Everything I need of that nature is in these cabinets here. This drawer is full of nail guns. There's a biscuit jointer in there, a stapler, drill bit sharpener. Saw blades, dado blades, Forstner bits, Craig jig, etc. It's all easy and works great. If you were to put all these things on the wall, they wouldn't fit. And when you change a tool, then you have to change that setup on the wall. And to me, I don't want to be frigging around with storage to that extent. What I have on my walls is things I like to see that make me happy. And to my right up here, that is this wall of vintage tools that were my dad's when I was a boy. These things were in his workshop and I grew up with him. This cabinet here takes up very little floor space, about 2 square feet perhaps, but because it's tall, it holds a lot. And it is made to fit these vintage tool chests that you can also find easily. This one is full of wrenches. There's no space here on my wall to put up and display wrench sets. So I just pull out what I need when I need it, and I'm done. The sunlight in these windows beside me isn't helping at all. But on this short space of wall, what I have are the things I reach for almost all the time when I'm in the workshop. Screwdrivers, pliers, measuring tools, cutting tools, batteries on chargers, and a few planes up here. These are more vintage planes. I don't reach for them much, but they're part of the class of things that I like to look at, so they're up there. Pretty good, huh?